The XINO S700, a high-performance scanner that excels in speed, flexibility and durability. 130, 170 or 220 sheets per minute, depending on requirements. The XINO S700 scanning system has a variable feeder system with a choice of centre or left paper feed. Changing the feeder is completely simple and user-friendly. The various feeders allow the processing of documents of different sizes and thicknesses, from cash register receipts to DIN A3 with paper thicknesses of 250 grams. The scanner also has a clip detection. The system stops automatically. Also integrated is a double sheet detection, for example, of note papers. It is possible to accept or reject the scan result. The included capture software, DPU Scan, which has been developed further for decades, also enables the embedding of further scanners into the digitizing process. Safe and gentle document processing is ensured by a unique paper transport system. This is based on a ball system and a generous paper deflection. A unique feature is the variable paper transport with document ejection optionally at the rear without deflection for large format or sensitive documents. A patch code sorter optionally offers the possibility of an automatic sorting out system. In all of this, the developers rely on a solid design with high-quality components and modern technology. The entire optical system is dust protected. LEDs ensure best image quality through optimal illumination. For optimal operating comfort, the entire workstation can be individually adjusted thanks to a motorized height adjustment. The XINO S700 scanning system is described by users as very user-friendly. Therefore, no long introductory training periods. Whether large quantities of paper or difficult documents, the XINO S700 can be used for a wide range of applications.